Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. Today I'm going to give you a summer tip for your lawn fertilizing that I think you're going to like. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today we're going to be talking about fertilizing. Now it is July, so it's very hot out here. You're not going to be putting down your typical fertilizers that have a lot of nitrogen. Because usually what that's going to do, if you throw a bunch of nitrogen on the lawn right now, even if you have rain coming, it's going to activate the nitrogen. And then you get a dry spell, and that's just going to cook your lawn. So you don't want to put a lot of nitrogen on there right now. So we're going to put a low base nitrogen. And what I'm going to use is a product called Milorganite. Okay, Milorganite has a 640. And what that means, it only has about 6% nitrogen. So it's really low nitrogen based. And that way when you put this on your lawn, or you can put it with your plants or whatever, it's not going to burn them up. That heat and the dryness is not going to affect it that much. And plus it's an organic material. So using these other fertilizers that have that synthetic type of fertilizer, it's going to be a little bit different. It's not going to work with your lawn as well. Okay, so Milorganite, I've been using it for a while, and I'll usually use that in the heat of the summer, like July, August, 1st of September, because here in South Carolina, it stays dry and it stays hot for a long time. Okay, so I want you to take a look at this, and that way when you look in the store, you'll know exactly what to get. Like I said, it only has 6% nitrogen in there, some phosphorus, and we don't need any type of potassium or anything like that. So very low numbers here, and that's why you don't have to really worry about it burning at this time of the year. Okay, so this covers up to 2,500 square feet. I have 7,000. I have a couple of bags I need to put on here, but let me get my spreader here. I'm just going to pour the whole thing in my spreader. And if you put extra, you don't have to worry about that, okay? Because like I said, it's an organic, plus it's slow release. So you'll have July, you'll have August, and it'll probably get you through August, okay? And then you'll probably have to put some more down if you want another round of that in September. But by the time September rolls around, if you have a warm season lawn, you want to start backing off that fertilizer, okay? Because your lawn's going to start going dormant pretty soon. You may be able to get one more treatment in September, okay, before you start backing off. Now, if you have a fescue lawn, you can continue to use this up until frost dates. Mine is around probably mid-November. But for some it's maybe a little bit longer, a little shorter. You just have to gauge that for your own climates, okay, in your own zone. So I'm going to put this on a rate of 5. Let's see how it does. Okay guys, so I just put out the first bag of the Milorganite, and like I said, it's not raining here much, but we expect some showers here for the next couple of days. So I went ahead and put that out. But if you're kind of like in a dry area and you're not getting a lot of rain, you don't expect any for a while, you might want to wait until you expect some rain over the next maybe 2 or 3 days, and then you can put that out ahead of time, and then it'll throw and then it gives your grass some benefits. It also has a little bit of iron in it, so it's going to green it up a little bit. Okay, so this is a great product. Like I said, I've used it many times. I've tried to find it at Lowe's. It's not there, but I find it pretty regularly on Amazon or Home Depot. Okay, and I'll leave a link for those in my description, so to check those out. But you can use this in July, August, September. Like I said, it's not going to have a burning factor as far as like hurting your lawn, even if you overdo it a little bit. Okay, so I hope this helps you out, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.